Jerry Brown here with Jerry Brown Travels.
Lori here.
Wait, you've got to see this. 5 years of prices going up, up, up. It is over officially. After a half of a decade of growth, now we're starting to see this, a softening in the real estate market. Prices being slashed. This is a major shift for our community. Today we're going to be investigating why this is happening, and right now, why it may be the best time to be buying and investing in the Chapala area. If you want to know where the deals are at, stick around, because we're going to show you at the end of the video, we're going to show you prices of homes now. Now let's look at properties now. This one here was $299,000 and now it's $279,000. Price has been reduced. Price reduced. Here they're asking $389,000 and now the new price is $369,000. Here's another one. This one here was selling or asking $399,000 and now they're asking $375,000. I wanted to show you this price structure right here. Now this house is more of a modern home and it has that feeling. You can see as you come in, open floor plan, and it actually has great lighting here. They've closed the drapes here for the making the video here, but open floor plan, large sitting area, great unit. If you want to entertain, the kitchen is really large. It's more or less like a gourmet kitchen with all the modern appliances. It's not an old house, so you'd be able to get a lot of the upgrades already built into the home. And look at the bedroom here. I want to show you how it's roomy. You can step outside. It's really great that way. The light is excellent. Look at the breeze coming through the window there. And you can see all of the modern marble and tile that the unit has within. Again, another bedroom, but again, you get more light in everything throughout the whole house. The price of the homes right here are, a lot of them are at this price structure here, but again, there are a lot of homes that you can get reduced rates where they want to sell them at maybe 15-20% off. This particular home isn't one of those, not yet, but I don't know, how soon or how important it is for them to want to sell it. And that's a lot of it. How urgent is the person who wants to get out? Or maybe these people may want to sell it and just upgrade, or they may want to sell it and downgrade. You get a lot of that ups and downs here in Mexico. But that's where you can get the deals. If a person really is more anxious to get rid of their home or sell it, then they're going to drop the price. So I'm just giving you an idea of what the price structure that goes here through Mexico. But you can see it's a beautiful property. Come up on the rooftop terrace and sit and relax, get a view from up here. And you can look at the clouds. Look at the color in the clouds. It's very clean air and healthy here in Ajijic. This is a really good time to take advantage of the downturn that's happening here by buying a property like this. And again, you can ask for a lower price, and I recommend you do ask for a lower price. Hey, make a comment. I'd like to know where you live. That'd be great, huh, Lori?
Yeah, it could be great. Make a comment and thumb up and subscribe. Well, if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe it. That's encouraged me to come more in the video.
That was an interesting video. Beautiful home. And but prices are dropping. They're dropping significantly. Are not buying. They're not buying in Mexico. So there's a lot more inventory here. And what that means is that is a flood of inventory, so the prices are going down.
Nobody buy now.
Then nobody buying. And so they're forced to lower the price. And so that's why we're seeing people who really want to get out. Remember, it's a retirement community, and people do want to move for different reasons over supply and demand. And that's basically what it is. Yeah, and you know what's happening is now, if you haven't subscribed, or let's say you have, but what's happening is YouTube is not sending everybody new videos. So what you need to do is resubscribe, and you'll be getting more of the new videos maybe you've missed out on. Make a comment. We'd appreciate that so much.
And thank you very much.
Oh, thanks for watching Jerry Brown Travels.
Yeah, thanks for watching with Laurie here.
Come with us through Mexico. In this series, we have gone through our archives and we have found these jewels of colonial cities, Pueblo Magicos. This was a trip that we took through Mexico, and we saved them especially for you. If you have never traveled in Mexico, come along with us through these travel videos that we have made with the different colonial cities. I know that it will give you a different perspective on Mexico. And if you've never traveled and haven't gotten away from the beach, this is an opportunity by looking at the series. Thank you. If you would like to subscribe, you see my picture on the very right. Just touch on it, you'll be subscribed, and it's free. And you see the little box on the left that says book now. If you want to book a phone consultation, press on that and it'll send you over to a booking site.